Hello everyone. This is a drum E of 6 HP 19 transmission of 525 BMW. I'm doing an overhaul. I just want to show how to pull the piston inside the drum. First of all, we need to remove the snap ring, which goes in there. Okay, remove the snap ring. Okay. Alright, let's go up with the press. I have everything in this assembly. All the drums and clutches. That's the Megatronics. This transmission kept going into limp mode, as you can see. Here we go. This is the spring behind the piston. What I want to do, I want to replace the O-ring around the piston. Okay. This is the gasket kit. It's supposed to have the O-ring somewhere, and this is the friction material to do the overhaul. Okay.